it yourself. So what is it? A pencil sharpener. No. Good idea. Electric shaver? No. Flashlight, a fan. I'm going to tell you, this thing right here is an invention that's made you kids the luckiest kids in the world. And there's a name for it. It's called a generator. And there's a guy named Michael Faraday and some other scientists who found out that if you do this, you can make electricity. Actually, you can make electricity flow. Let me draw a picture of what this looks like. You probably want to draw this because it's pretty cool. Check this out. Okay? All right, all this is, I'm going to draw it right here. All this is a metal shaft, okay? Metal shaft that has lots and lots and lots and lots of wires wrapped around it. And it's got two wires coming out. And it's got a handle on it. There's my handle. So when I spin this, I'm spinning a bunch of wires like this. Now Michael Faraday looked at if you use mechanical energy, this is mechanical energy, you can make electrical energy. But there's one thing left that I haven't added here. And you'll know what this is when I draw it. Did you put a lot of wire on yours? Okay, this has to be inside of something. It has to be inside of something like this, and I bet you know what this is. Ready?
Magnet.
It's inside of a magnet. So inside of this, there's wires inside of a magnet, and that is called a generator. So make sure you name this is called a generator. Generator. And it takes mechanical energy and turns it into electrical energy. But hey, don't take my word for it. I need somebody to try it. Let's see. Someone who's had breakfast already this morning. Okay? All right, young lady, what's your name? Come on up. Yeah. Yep. Come on. Thanks for volunteering. Is your name Angel? Your shirt says Angel. Okay, come over here on this side. Okay, Christy. Go ahead and, you've had breakfast, right? Okay, switch hands. Let's put it over here. Go ahead and crank that. Is it hard? Pretty easy, huh? Okay. Well, now stop for a second. I'm going to hook this up, this generator, up to these two wires here, okay? Go ahead and turn it. Let's see.
That's powering the house.
Okay. How does it feel right now?
Easy.
Easy. Watch what happens when I turn one. So keep going. You had breakfast there. I got one light on, and look what's happening. See how the light is lit up? Stop cranking.
It went off.
It went off. Start cranking.
It went on.
It went on.
That's a generator.
That's a generator. And when she uses mechanical energy, start cranking. And just like my daughter, I turn another switch. Keep cranking. Now it gets harder, doesn't it? The more I turn on, and you can even hear it. Listen to this. Easy. Harder, but keep going, keep going. See, at my house, with the lights on, you need to keep cranking all day. But you know, it's starting to get hot. So I'm going to turn the air conditioner on, okay? Keep cranking. What? Come on, come on. Someone say overload, huh? Yeah, in fact, the more stuff I have on, come on, girl. In fact, so much stuff, the load gets really hard. And I'll give you a break here. Oh, keep going, though. Keep going. All right, let's give her a round of applause. Good job on that. Thank you. Wait a minute. How's your arm feel? How's your arm feel? It hurts a bit, yeah. Yes, now, so what if you had to do this every time you wanted electricity? Yeah. But I'm going to tell you something. You won't believe this story. It's a cool story. All over the world, people need water. But in some places, the water is really deep in the ground. The water is really deep in the ground, and they don't have electricity. But there's even a school here in Indiana at Valparaiso University, and they said, you know what if we took one of these and made it bigger and took it to a place where there's no electricity? And what they did was they turned it sideways, and they have kids turn it, and they hooked it to a pump in the ground that pumps water up for their village. But here's the cool part. Instead of a crank because your arm got sore, they made this into a merry-go-round. They put that in the middle of a merry-go-round, so all day long when kids play on the merry-go-round, it's making electricity that pumps water up to the top of their school. Then all day and all night, their family just turns a faucet and the water comes out. Now that's a cool way to use a generator to make electricity. And to play, too.